Okay, so this is where we stopped last time. I looked at how to run the basic hello world command in the Python environment. So today I'll be looking at how to create a script in the Python programming environment. Now, before I do that, I just want to talk about mobile. And if you have a mobile device, one great site you can go to is this, and they provide Android IDs for Python. And so I think I really like CuPython 3, and if you're looking for it, this is CuPython 3 on the Google Play Store. It's a very nice and simple install, allows you to do Android development on your mobile phone, and there's also the version for the iPhone. Just go to this site and you'll be fine. So let me continue with this. Now, if you want to run the hello world command in a script, and we create scripts because long after we're done with writing a program, we would like to keep a copy of it. So the way to do that would be to go to new file, and the very same command we wrote before, which is print, and say hello world, and do that. And now we save. Now I'm going to save on my desktop. Now it doesn't matter where you save, because the program will ask you to save to its default. If you choose to save here, it's not a bad idea. The thing is that regardless of where you decide to save your programs, you have to have a way of getting there. So if you decide to save it here, you have to note this location. I'm going to save on my desktop, and I'm going to call this hello.py. Now press enter, and that's easily done. And then I'll say file, I'll go to run, and then I'll just run the module. And once I do that, you notice that the code gives you the same output as this. Now the computer also shows you the file path so that you can access it. Now I'm going to close everything and go back to my desktop. Now I apologize, my desktop is a bit of a mess, but this is it right here. And then I'll right click on it and then edit with idle to open it again. So there you have it. I've shown you how to create a script in the Python programming language, run that script, and also open it again when you want to work on it. Please have a great day. Thank you very much.